In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy using your Canon MAXIFY MB2720. So let's get started. A copy, okay, what it is, it's simply going to put your paper in one of these two scanners and you're going to get the results down below printed right away. How do you do this? Well, for the first scanner, okay, this is the flatbed scanner. This is how we call it. Take your paper, the one you want to scan. This is the one I want to scan. Place it facing down with the top part towards the left side, and we're going to align this corner with that corner of the scanner. So simply push until both of them are touching. Okay, like this. Close the lid. Over here on the main screen, you're going to simply press the home button once. Click on copy is the first option. Select the number of copies you want by clicking on the one and inputting another number if you want more than one copy. And you also have settings in case you want to enlarge, change the contrast, or do stuff like that. At the end, simply press on the color button if you want a color copy, or black for black and white. I'll click here. Just wait. And we got our copy. Now, if you have multiple pages you'd like to make a copy of, you can use the top document feeder hidden right over here. Let's say I want to make a copy of these two pages. Make sure to put them facing up with the top part of your document towards the left side. Glide them until you hear a beep. And once you hear that beep, again, press the home button, click on copy. And instead of one, you can put another number. Press color or black and white. This time the printer will take each pages one by one. You can put more than two, obviously, and the results will come out quite quickly. Here we go. If you want to make a copy using your USB flash drive that is connected right over here, well, let me show you how this is done. Press scan. Click on USB flash drive is the third option. Click save to USB flash drive, save scan data to a USB flash drive. Whoops, is the first option. Make sure these settings are okay with whatever file you want to scan. And once you're ready, again, press the green button for color scan or the white one for black and white. I'll press this one this time. And I just have to wait. You're gonna get a result here. Press apply. And it will be saved. As you see here, it has been confirmed saved. You can press the end, remove your document, remove your USB drive, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like. Subscribe, comment down below, and if you want to get some ink, some paper, or even a brand new printer, go through my Amazon links. Every time you go through them, I get a very small commission from Amazon and you help supporting my channel.